I will be sharing what I have learned the hard way through this course of time, that what is the right way or the right mindset to just be able to pick up something and be able to master it. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here in this channel, I share what I learn in my journey related to tech, life, and just things I find fascinating. So if you like the video, do subscribe and share it in your socials. So first of all, I apologize for this video being so late because as you can see, if you saw the previous videos, the surrounding has changed. We have actually moved to a new place, so it's good here, and I'm arranging some better connection here, internet connection, so that the frequency of uploads will increase and everything for greater good, right? So let's just talk about what is this video about. So in this video I will be sharing what I have learned the hard way through this course of time, that what is the right way or the right mindset to just be able to pick up something and be able to master it, or build enough confidence that you can work on things and create things or build things, right? So let's just dive into the video. So I believe knowing how to learn something is way more important than what you learn. So at the end of the day, if someone knows the art of learning things, he or she will just be able to pick up things that he or she wants to learn and just be able to master it, right? While in some other scenarios, some person is putting in the same amount of work, same amount of time, but he's not being able to build up that confidence, or he just feels burnt out and just thinks that he can't do it, right? And that is not good. And especially if you think of this scenario of like our field, computer science, this is what we totally do. We learn things, we implement and create, right? And learning is the base of it all, and that makes it really crucial for everyone to know what is the right mindset and what is the right way to or the right method, if you will, to just be able to learn something, right? So before I share with you the right way or the right mindset to learn something, I will share with you some points that you need to just keep it in your back of your mind, or just follow them, because they will save you a lot of time, and I believe they're really valuable, right? So this is how it goes. So the first point is get your fundamentals right. So what do I mean by that is that there are some concepts like what is abstraction, what is inheritance, what is a class, what is an object, how to call a function, how to declare a function, what is a function with arguments, and things like that, right? So these concepts are basics of every programming language, every framework, and just things like that, right? Like most of the languages. So if someone has these concepts clear and he just understands it, he will just be able to pick up any programming language and be able to just learn it in a day, or maybe in some hours, I will say, right? So you need to, so if I will give you an analogy, it's like if you know all the letters of like all the alphabets, you will just be able to form any word, right? Because letters are the base of it all, and they are just simple tweaks in pronunciation, or things like that. And the same goes with languages. They are just the simple tweaks in syntaxes to just make for some specific purpose, right? For example, if you take C++ and JavaScript, right, the concept of functions is same in both, right? You just call them and they do something, right? But the thing is that in JavaScript is made for browsers. So in browsers, we need to know when the user has clicked. So we have a function there, on click, right? So it's just specific. The programming languages are made to do some purpose that some previous programming language was not made to do, right? So that's why we just need to make some simple tweaks in the syntax, right? So what I want to tell you is that get these underlying concepts right, and you will just be able to learn things very quickly and very fast, right? Yeah, so that's point number one. So point number two is that never ever keep watching tutorials, because if you just keep doing that, you will get stuck in a thing called tutorial hell, on which I made this video, and you can just watch this and just be terrified enough to never go there. I mean, tutorials are so great and so comfortable. It's like, for programmers, watching tutorials is like watching Netflix. It's like so good. Like, the error happens there, the error happens here, the code runs successfully there, the code runs successfully here. But when, after watching hours of tutorial, you just open an editor without the tutorial to write something, you are blank. Like, what is this? So this is tutorial hell, and you need to get away from this. And this mostly happens when we are a beginner. It happened to me. So this is how the story goes. So this happened to me when the lockdown started. I wanted to learn React because it was trending. So first lesson is that just never learn anything that's trending. Learn anything that you want to learn in order to create something. Okay, so I wanted to learn React, and I was very dumb then. Okay, I was really dumb. Okay, whatever. So what I did, like every other beginner, is just went on Google or YouTube, just search for the top courses on React, and just got some, I don't know, some 6 hours, I don't know, some big course. Okay, like every other courses on Udemy or something like that. Okay, got that course, and in my mind I was like, okay, I'm just investing my time learning this thing, you know, and yeah, things like that. But it's just typical tutorial hell thing. That just happened with me. I just went through that tutorial. When tutorial is going on, I was doing good. Like, the code works fine, everything just worked. But when it came out of the tutorial, I got nothing. Okay, so because I just did not do any projects. It's just I was going through tutorial and I was in the tutorial hell. Well, I didn't knew that it was called tutorial hell then. That is what tutorials do to you. Okay, so never just go on with the tutorials. And now, before, I don't know, like 1 to 2 months, I needed to learn React for something. So before you learn React, you need to know some amount of JavaScript, right? So the first thing I did was went onto Google, just searched learn JavaScript, and got a very good blog written by Mozilla's developer site, right? The Firefox guys. Okay, so I read through that blog. Took me like hour or something. I was good with JavaScript basics. Okay, now I went on to React. This time I was not going to make that mistake. What I did was I went to React's documentation, okay, and just copied the get started code from there to my editor, and just started going through errors, trying to do things, googling things, going on Stack Overflow, things like that. And now I know React well. Okay, so this is how you learn things. Okay, so the gist of the story is that get your fundamentals right. If I didn't knew the fundamentals, I could not have read that blog and understood how JavaScript works in an hour, right? So like the basics I'm talking about, not the whole JavaScript, obviously. I mean, you need to just, when I tell you that you need to learn a language, I'm telling you that you should know enough to get a editor open, write things, and go into errors. I'm not telling you like master the language, and this takes literally, if you know the basics, some hours or maybe a day at max, right? That, and obviously you do not need to get stuck in tutorials. Read blogs, prefer blogs above videos, right? And yeah, that's that. So let's now talk about the main thing. What is the right method or the right way to just be confident, to just learn anything you want to learn, right? So this is what I believe, and I need you to just watch this and tell me in the comment section below, what do you think of this method, right? And this is how it goes. Okay, so first of all, you need to forget about what you know. Okay, I don't care what language you know, what frameworks you know, you don't need to care about that. Okay, so what you need to do is just calm down and think about what you need to create. Okay, what you want to create actually. What will give you that satisfaction? What is that? May be very simple, that may be very complex. What is that app that you want to make? What is that site that you want to make? Or what do you want to do, right? And when you have your goals set, now what you need to do is that just go to Google and type how to make this, right? And literally Google will tell you, okay, this is what you need to make these things. This is the language, this is the framework, or this is the whole package you need to know this, make this thing. And now go to Google and type learn this, learn that. Okay, now when you type learn this, it will take you towards, it will show links to its official documentation, some good blogs. Open those things, open your editor, get started code there, and just start typing things, start creating things, and getting into a lot of errors. that is what will eventually happen, and that is fine. You are doing really good as compared to the person who is watching a tutorial on that thing. Okay, just dive into the language. Okay, dive into the language and start creating what you need to create from the first time only. Okay, and if you follow this technique, most probably two things will happen. One scenario is that you just created the project that you wanted to create at the first place, and that is really great, right? You have learned a lot, you just created the project, you're awesome, right? And the second scenario is that you were not able to create the project, you were not able to finish the project because for many reasons, because maybe you did not understand how to do that, maybe it was really complex for the first time to do it, right? So what happens in this scenario is that you have learned a lot. Okay, you have learned a lot as compared to the person who is still watching a tutorial, right? So just what I want to tell you is that you just don't need to know everything. Okay, but the thing is that you can know anything by googling, and just spend a lot of time on googling things, going on Stack Overflow, knowing through the answers of people, going through that one start Git repository and using that, right? So this is how you create things. Okay, and so the gist of the story is that do not get stuck in tutorials and things like that. Just start creating what you have a vision of, and in between, these languages, framework are just a tool for you, and you will just learn them on the fly, right? And it will save you a lot of time. So that's the video, and I hope you learned a lot from it. And just tell me in the comment section below what you think of this. So if you like this video, do subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends and socials, and I will be back with a new video soon. Have a great and safe day.